Drinking water upside down might sound bizarre, but it could be your secret weapon against stubborn hiccups. Imagine flipping the script on this annoying reflex by simply changing your sipping angle. This quirky technique disrupts the hiccup cycle by altering your diaphragm's rhythm and redirecting your focus. When you tilt your head forward and sip from the far edge of a glass, your body adjusts unexpectedly, creating a new neural pathway and potentially resetting your diaphragm spasms. It's an odd but oddly effective method that many swear by, adding a touch of novelty to the mundane task of hiccup relief. So next time you're stuck in a hiccup loop, give this topsy-turvy trick a try and see if a little upside-down thinking can set you right side up again.